Hi, boys and girls. One last lesson on more than, less than, greater than, fewer than, the same, equals. Those are all math words we've been working on for a couple days now. Let's get started. You ready? All right. I hope you can see this really well. Whoops. All right. So we're going to compare. That means we're going to see which one has more or fewer. We're going to compare these two groups, right? So we got the blue group and the red group. Let's count how many are in the blue group. 1, 2, 3. And how many kids are in the red group? 1. Which one has more? Which group has more? The blue group or the red group? Did you say the blue group? Good. That's because it has 3. 3 is more than 1, right? Let's take a look at this group. Here's the blue group again. How many kids are in the blue group this time? You can point to your screen and count with me. 1, 2. Now let's check out the red group. Point with me and count. 1, 2, 3. This time, which group has more? Which group has more? Right, the red group. This time we can say 2 is less than 3, right? We're gonna go this way. So 2 is less than 3. This group has less than this group. The blue group only has 2, the red group has 3, so we say the blue group has less than the red group, right? All right, here's another blue group and a red group. Let's count the kids in this blue group. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many kids are in the red group? 1, 2, 3. Good. So which group has more? You're right, the blue group has more. We can say 4 is more than 3, right? Because this group has more than this group. More than. This group has more. All right. Look at some sea animals. This is perfect for this week. Can you see? We got a seahorse, a shark, a starfish, a pufferfish, and a stingray. Let's count how many animals are in the ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See these numbers at the bottom? Which one of these says 5? You point to it on your screen. Did you point to this one? Right. This group has 5 sea animals. Now let's count how many animals we have in the ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we have 4. Which one of these numbers says 4? You point to it on your screen. Did you point to this one? No, because this one is what number? 2. Did you point to this one? Good. What number is this? 4. Good, because there's 4 sea creatures. Let's, oops, I'm having trouble moving my bar over here. Let's go up. All right, now let's count how many animals are in the ocean. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 animals in the ocean. Which one of these says 3? Does this say 3? Or does this say 3? Which one? You point on your screen. Did you point to this one? No, good, because this one says what? 5, good. What about this one? 3, very good. There's 3 sea animals, number 3. All right, now let's look. We got 2 groups. We have some animals on land and animals in the water. Which one has fewer? Remember that one means less, right? Can you see? Which one has fewer? The green group or the blue group? Right. The blue group, right? This group has 2. This group has 1. 1 is fewer than 2. We have less sea creatures than land creatures. How about this? We still have 2 animals on land. How many animals in the ocean? 1, 2, 3. Which group has fewer this time? Point to it. Did you say the green group? Good, you're right, because there's 2. This one has 3. 2 is fewer than 3. Very good. What about now? Oh boy, still 2 land creatures. How many ocean creatures? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which group has fewer? Which one? Did you say the green group again? You're right, still has 2. 2 is fewer than 4. Very good. Whoops. All right. Let's compare these buildings, right? We're gonna find which one has less. All right. right, let's count the floors on this building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's count the floors on this building. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one has fewer or less than? Right, this one has less than this one. Do you remember how we can check too? We can draw lines between them to give them partners. These two go together, those go together, this one goes together, and this one goes together. We know they're not the same. This one has fewer. This one has more. Whoop. Wipe it up. Let's compare these buildings. Let's see, help me count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count this building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one has less than? Which one has less? Did you point to it? Did you point to this one? Good. Nice job, friends. This one has less. This one has 3 floors. This one has 5 floors. This building has less floors than this building. How about this? Let's count. 1, 2. Oh, my light shut off in here. And let's count this building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one has less floors than the other building? Did you point to this one again? You're right, it still has less. This one has a lot more floors now. This one had 2, this one has 5. 2 is less than 5. Last one. How many floors are in this building? This is a tiny building. 1, 2. This one's like Washington West, it only has 1 floor. Which one has less? Did you point to this one? Right. This is correct. 1 is less than 2. Good job, friends. I'm so proud of you. You worked super hard this week on more than, less than, greater than, fewer, same, equal. You've gotten a lot smarter this week comparing objects. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. You can go onto the Seesaw, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye, friends.